recording in progress. Thanks. I forgot. Okay. So any question on this?
No, sir.
No.
No question, no, but I will show you this with an example. That will be.
And we, yeah,
Hmm.
here we can also add one more column like stage flag, kind of. So we can
Flag.
uh,
Yeah, tell me.
suppose we are getting ID name, and we can add another string like a stage, or in next table we can add it like a target table. So the user also get to know which from where that columns are coming, data is coming.
1 minute, sorry, I didn't get you. You want to add a stage in which one? Integration or a stage?
Actually,
Flag.
yeah, actually, when we run this query, that union all, so user will get confused that from where it is coming, which
Correct.
all stage it is coming, from stage or integration. So in that case, we in the select statement we can also add one more column like
Correct.
stage, and in next select statement we can also add integration. So it will show like
this, right?
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
That's also correct. Yeah, very good. Good one. We can add that as well. Okay, perfect. Yeah, good one. Let me try to show you this with the help of an example. Thanks for the one who has told me to start the recording. Last time also I've done the same mistake. I forgot to record. Insert into stage. I'm really sorry, guys. I have deviated from the topic, but I want to show you this practically how it is happening, because I know a few of you are like freshers. Among you, anyone who is in a hurry to complete the syllabus as soon as possible, you have to attend some interview, something like that? Anyone? No one is there?
You're not in a hurry, yeah, but we can go
Fast, right?
thing like that. Yeah, we can go in this minutes. No problem.
Okay. Because I know this is something different from the SQL. Okay, I'm just trying to show you that where you can use this minus practically. Okay, so this is the table. Select a star on the stage EMP. Okay, first of all, this is the data present in the stage. Okay, hope this is clear. 1 2 3 4 5 6, this record I have inserted. Now this table integration, I am writing int for integration. EMP ID number, then name is var2, keep it 2. Inserted, same data I'm trying to insert now. Okay, now I'm trying to insert this record. Oh, error message. What is the reason for this?
Care precision is 2.
Correct. Hope this is clear. Here I given the size as 2. Okay, and I'm passing the data of 3 characters. That's why this is throwing me this error message. This is what example I was trying to show you there, that you should not just only trust on the count, but you should check the data as well. Here what is happening, it is not allowing you to insert the data, but in certain instances what happened, it will truncate the data. Truncate in the sense it will load 1 comma AB. Okay, so the count will be same, but data will not be same in that case. So what I have to do, I will insert the data again. Table int underscore emp. Table is dropped. Now let me keep it 5 or whatever it may be. Data is inserted. ID comma name on the stage underscore emp minus ID comma name on ID underscore emp. No data found, it means all the record which is present in the stage has moved to integration here. Okay, now I have a question. Suppose by mistake we have two records. This particular record is inserted 2 times. Okay, now I'm running this query again. No data found, fine. Now let me change this. INT stage. No data found. Why? But we have duplicate record here. No, why it has not got this?
Internally, a SQL engine distinct will run.
Perfect. This is clear. So internally SQL engine we have discussed right now that minus it will work on distinct. Now the question is that then we fine, I will run this query, but here's a duplicate and a minus query is not catching this. Fine. So this is one of the limitation. Again, you should not need trust on minus that, okay, I run the minus. It means exact data. The source and target are the exact replica. So now you will think that, okay, this is a limitation of minus. It fails to find the duplicate record. This is one interview question I used to ask my candidates, that what is one of the limitation of minus? Okay, so this is the limitation. Now to solve this, what you will do? What you will do to solve this? There's an issue in this table, but if you're applied minus, everything is fine. Your test case is passed. Everything is under the impression that, okay, everything is perfect. But on the report, the revenue is showing double. Where you have missed? Any guesses? Which validation you have missed?
In
Come on,
the
guys.
employee table, we have said that.
No. Which particular validation you have missed? Which you should check one more thing, but that check you
Primary
have not tested.
key ID number should be unique. Primary key, sorry.
No. Just tell me one bucket. You are telling the ingredients of that bucket. Tell me that bucket. What is this? Guess it.
Union all we can use here.
Duplicate check. That is why you will see that in the project, the testers, they will write a test case for the duplicate check. This is the reason. Hope this is clear. If you have validated the duplicate checks here, okay, suppose if you have written this query, select ID comma name from INT employee having count of star greater than 1.
ID code.
Suppose if you would have executed this query, duplicate one as well. So from this we'll come to that, okay, this particular record is duplicate in this table. Then you will do the analysis that why this is coming. So, but you have not executed this query. You have not checked the duplicate records. You just trusted on minus only. And you were thinking, you were under the impression that if I run minus, everything it means it's like a replica. Perfect. So that's why this is one of the limitation of minus. Okay, so any question, final call on minus? Is this clear? So before this example, the point which you were thinking that's a strength of minus. So now that is coming as a weakness of minus. Hope this is clear. Okay, moving to the next question. So this was all about a minus. Okay, now coming to intersect. I think this is clear. You know the output of this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, common from both.
Common from both the tables. Okay. Now what will happen with this query? Error. Why? Come on, tell me why.
Number of columns are different.
Number of columns. Very good. This one, this is clear.
Yeah, data type.
Data type. So this will throw error message.
Yeah.
Correct. Okay. Union is clear. Simple. I think you all have done this. Union all is also simple. Now, these questions are very important. 7, 8, 9, 10. First question, which of the following statement is here are correct? First one, minus operator can compare columns of any data type, but data type of columns must be same. Is it correct?
Yes.
Data type of columns must be same. Okay. While using minus operator, so from this, what I am telling is it is not like minus will compare only number column. I have given this because once I was taking an interview and I asked the same question. So the candidate, he told me that the minus will compare only strings. It is not like that. Minus can compare your number columns, string columns, or any column. Okay. But the only condition is the number of columns must be same. Data type of column must be same. Okay. And if someone will ask you what is the limitation of minus, so what you will do, what you will tell.
Can you repeat, Tanvir?
If someone is asking you that what is the limitation of minus,
Cannot catch up the duplicates.
perfect, good. It cannot find out the duplicate records. Okay. While using minus operator, number of columns must be same in two tables. Is this correct? We have discussed this a number of times. The number of columns must be same in two tables. This is correct, right?
Yes.
Yes.
No, this is not correct.
In two tables or query?
Perfect, good catch. We are not bothered about tables. We are bothered about the two queries. The two queries what you're writing. Suppose in employee one table, you have columns ID, name, salary. Okay. And employee two, you have ID, name. So I am not bothered how many columns is present in employee one. I am not bothered how many columns are present in employee two. I'm not bothered about this table structure. I'm just bothered that what you want to compare. Correct? No. Is this clear? If I will run this query, this will give me the output. But the number of columns in this two tables is entirely different. Here we have 3 columns. Here we have 2 columns. So the minus is not bothered about the table structure. It will just take care of the columns what you have mentioned in the minus query. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is not correct. Union cannot be used along with minus operator. What about this?
We can use it.
We can use.
We can use right now in that Excel sheet I have shown you, correct? Union all and union does not fetch same data.
True.
Do you think union will fetch same data or different data?
If it no union all will consider all the data, means whether it is duplicate or
Not right. So suppose in the employee one table, I have ID and the value is 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then I have employee two table and here the ID is 1, 2. Okay. And if I will write employee one union employee two, what will the output?
1, 2,
1, 2, 3. Correct?
yeah.
Guys, I'm going a little bit fast, I know, but you think that I'm going fast, tell me. I will stop. Okay, I will slow down. I will not stop. I will slow down my speed. Okay. So now for this, what will the output? 1,
1, 2,
2,
3, 1, 2.
1, 2.
okay. Now the output of union and union all, they both are same or different?
Different.
Different. So now come to this question. Union all and union does not fetch same data. Is this a correct
True.
assessment?
Correct.
True. True. Okay. 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 Because I have shown you now, they both are fetching the different data. So this is correct assessment. Union all and union does not fetch the same data. Anyone thinks that no, then there is a scenario where I can show you that union all and union will fetch same data. Anyone in this group?
Yeah,
it will be
actually,
there.
showed in
Which
the
one?
Excel also that 2 minus statement. We can use both union all and union, and in that case, we get the same record.
Sorry, can you repeat? Can you come once again?
Yeah, that integration and staging table in the Excel, you have showed that
Mm-hmm.
comparing that both the integration and
Mm-hmm.
staging, we can use both union, all, and union. We can get the same output.
Okay. Okay. So you're telling that in this case, if I will use stage employee union integration employee, I will get the same data, or if I will use stage employee union all integration employee, the data will be same. That's what you're telling.
Yes.
But how you think it will be same? Let me show you.
Not in that case. In Excel sheet you have showed on, right?
Okay, on this Excel one.
Yeah,
In
this
this
one.
case,
Yeah.
are you sure? Please check it.
Both the tables should have unique values. Different
Perfect.
values.
Perfect. So union and union all will give you the same data. In which scenario?
When unique records are there.
Unique records are there. Think little bit more. You have to think here.
And it should not have duplicate also. Means in both the table data should be unique with respect to each other, and it should not also have a duplicate record also.
Not have duplicate records. So now, guys, take this as an assignment. This is very important. Think over this. Okay, think over this. Or you want me to tell the answer now?
No, we will try.
That's what I'm telling. Please think over this. Very important. And twist is there. You are thinking that I'll be having distinct record. That's what you all are telling. That Tanvir, if I have distinct record in the two tables, union and union all will give me the same data, right? Correct? So no. Think over this. Practice this. Create a table inside the data what you are thinking and practice it. But and tell me the answer for which scenario this will give you the same data and for which data will be different. Is that fine? You all will try, or anyone who wants me to tell the answer now? That yeah, Tanvir, I have tried a number of times, but tell me the answer now. Okay, I will give this to you. Please try. Yeah, please try. And I want everyone to try this. Create a table, insert some data, and then we'll discuss this tomorrow. If I forgot this, please remind me that this one is missing. Okay. This is a very interesting case. Okay. I'm licking all my interview questions. I used to ask this kind of questions in the interviews. Okay, next one. Minus operator takes care of duplicate records as well. True or false?
False.
False, right. Right now I've shown you that minus operator, this is one of the limitation. If there is any duplicate record in the table, it will not catch it. Good one. Create a scenario where the output of union and union odd will be same. I think this is exactly same as the one which I've given you right now assignment. So you have to think over this, that in which scenario union and union all will give you the same output. Okay, this is, you will work on this. Second one, create a scenario where the output of union and intersect would be same. Yeah, I want the output of union and intersect would be same. In which scenario it will be same?
Both the tables are having the exactly same data. Same record.
So when both the tables will be having exactly same record, union and intersect will give you the exactly same data. Hope that's clear. Do you want me to show this with the help of an example, or this is clear, guys?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. Next one, question number 11. Write a SQL query to find the ID which is present in both the tables imply 1 and imply 2, but you should not use intersect operator. Yeah, this is good. But you should not use intersect operator nor joins. Yeah. You have to write a query to find the ID which is present in both the tables. Generally, suppose if I will not give this condition is not there. Okay, then how you will solve this question? You have to find the ID which is present in both the tables, imply 1 and imply 2. What you will do here?
Intersect.
Intersect, right? Let me show
Not to
this.
use intersect.
But if you have not to use intersect, then what you will do?
Union and minus we can combine.
Have you tried this one?
Yeah.
Okay, if you have tried, share me the query. First of all, is the question clear or not?
Yeah, it's clear.
Table imply 2 from these two tables. Okay, 1 minute. Let me clear the table structure. This table, second table, Okay, so I've created both the tables, and suppose if this condition is not there, if this condition is not there, so you know that if we have to find something which is common in both the tables, so you know, like very straightforward, very simple one, that we have to use the intersect operator, right? Select ID, you write this quick from employee 1, then you will write intersect. Select ID from employee 2, correct? And this will give you the IDs which is present in both the tables. 3 is the answer. First of all, before going to this exceptional part, first of all, please tell me honestly, is this clear or not? Tanya, is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so if the question is like you have to find a particular value which is present in both the tables, so you all know that I have to use intersect, very straightforward. But here the condition is you should not use intersect, nor you should use joins. I mentioned joins. I know I have not covered these joins, but I was under the impression that maybe some of you know the concept of join, you will start working on the join, but don't have to use intersect, you don't have to use joins. Then how you will solve this question? Someone has replied. Pritesh has given a solution. Okay, let's check. I think this is the correct one. Correct output. First of all, very good, Pradesh. Very good. I think you have working on the assignments. Guys, I will repeat. Whenever a new batch will start now, same question. Most of the participants, they will ask the same question. They will call me. Tanveer, I am very good in a SQL, but I don't know how to solve the SQL queries. You know what is the reason? You are good in SQL only theoretical concept. You know what minus will do. You know what union will do. You know what union all will do. But you don't know the exceptional part of that. You don't know where to implement this. So why that is happening? Because you're not practicing the query. I will repeat to you all the participants. Please work on the assignments. I know your task is very hectic schedule and all those things. But at the end, you have to work on this on the assignments. Okay. At least the assignments what I'm giving daily, do that. The LinkedIn post what I'm sharing related to SQL, go through that, try to analyze. Yesterday I have posted one solution. How many of you have seen that? That is again very good one. If you have not seen, go through that. The solution of one question I have shared. If you're not clear on that, let me know. Okay, we'll discuss on that. So here, is this query clear to you all? What Pritesh is trying to do here?
No.
No. Okay, let me explain you this. First of all, the question is to find the thing which is common in both the tables. So this is the query Pritesh has written. Let's try to analyze what he's trying to do here. First of all, he has written this minus employee 1 minus employee 2. Let me run this. From this, you got the output as 1 and 2. So output of this query is 1, 2. So from here is telling the IDs which is present in 1 but not in 2. So he got the exceptional IDs of employee 1 table. Then consider this second query. Then he has executed this query, and this query is doing the exactly opposite task what this first query is doing. Here he has written employee 2 minus employee 1. So what you're getting output here? 4 and 5. First of all, is this two queries clear or not? In the first query is finding the output which is